What's in an Everything DiSC Facilitation Kit? Let's find out. DiSC is a powerful tool to help improve human interactions. Everything DiSC is a suite of applications that goes beyond the basics, with applications for emotional intelligence, management, leadership, sales, and conflict. And each of these applications has an available facilitation kit, providing ready-made workshops. Let's take a look at what you get. This is the Agile EQ Facilitation Kit, but all of the kits share this form factor, with different colors and, of course, different names on the box. It's a very high-quality box with a light magnetic closure. There's a serial number on the bottom, which you will use to register the kit and access upgrades, so you won't want to lose that. Although, if you purchase the kit from DiSC Training Hub, we'll log your serial number in case you do lose it. Let's look inside. You will always find a user guide. Some kits have packs of job aids included, but the main part is the thumb drive. The thumb drive contains all the training materials. There's a very thorough meeting leader guide in Microsoft Word. There are also Word files for any handouts. PowerPoint slide decks guide the workshop, and those include embedded video. And all of these are completely customizable. There are also quite a few resources to support facilitators in conducting workshops, and we provide free basic support to get you up to speed should you need it. Facilitation kits like this one are available for each of the Everything DiSC products: Management, Agile EQ, Productive Conflict, Work of Leaders, and Sales. There's also a kit specifically for the Everything DiSC on Catalyst platform, and that's a steal because it contains curriculum for Workplace, Management, and Agile EQ all in one box for the same price as each of the other kits. You can find more information on the kits on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe, or visit disctraininghub.com/facilitationkits for more information or to purchase a kit.